I'll show you how to replace air filters on Infiniti FX. I think Infiniti FX has the easiest air filters to replace, but for some people it still might be tricky. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, the air filters are located in two boxes on the left and on the passenger side of the vehicle. They are super easy to open. All you have to do is pull on those tabs like this and pull this up. As you can see, mine is a little bit dirty. What you have to do is just basically push it out. Comes off just like that. And do the same thing right here. This one is even worse. And I have my filters from Amazon. They were $7 each, so roughly about $14 for two filters, because you need two of them. They are sold separately on Amazon. Here it is. There's my passenger side. That's the part number, PAB 6900. Here's my driver's side. Okay. Let's open the box. The filter. Oh, I like it. Nice aluminum frame. This goes to recycling. Just push it in so it's flashed like this. Again, the taps point towards the engine bay, and just drop it in. Push on the tabs. It's a little bit tricky with just one hand. Needs to be flush. One more time. Drop this baby in, and I need the other. Are installed. I actually had to use both hands in order to be able to push down and forward. I mean, towards the rear of the vehicle, but forward from looking down on those plastic frames, and then with the other hand push on the tabs to lock it in place. Just 1 minute, needed both hands, but you were able to see how it goes. So now I should be good for another 10,000 miles or so before I have to replace them next time. What I like about this car behind me, the access to those filters is so easy. Pretty much anytime you're sitting in a garage, you can just pop it up and check how dirty the filters are and decide if you need to order a new set. Just maybe use some compressed air to get a little bit of the dirt. Sometimes I'm doing it first time around, next time I'm just replacing the filters. So let me hop in, see how it performs. I'm pretty sure I'll get a little bit better gas mileage now that I have clear filters, and I'm pretty sure the car will be running a little bit better too. Not that it runs bad, it runs pretty nice, but now it will be working even better. Okay, well, Christmas is coming up, so Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas!